And here we are, in pre-calculus 20. You guys want to make a noise, see if you can hear yourself on the video? Okay. Disturbing shrieks of horror. Okay.
Hello. Oh my goodness.
That's probably good. So, just a reminder, there is a website called MrMathWell.com. And on this website, you should go to the pre-calculus 20 page, where you will find such things as homework assignment questions and instructional videos. And look at all this. These numbered videos are all your homework questions that I've recorded for you. And yes, we are at the practice test phase here, so number 3 and 5 are recorded, and right now I'm going to do not 1.5, number 9, but review number 9. All right. Can we level out? Be mature? Can we be mature now? Sorry for inviting you to make all sorts of noises at the beginning of this video. That was an error on my part, I apologize. Whew, scary. It's like what nightmares are made of, those sounds. Okay, Christless eternity is what that sounded like. All right, so number 9, you got it? Number 9. Josephine Mandamine, an Anishinaabe elder from Thunder Bay, Ontario, set out to walk around the Great Lakes to raise awareness about the quality of water in the lakes. In 6 years, she walked 17,000 kilometers. That might be important. 6 years, 17,000 kilometers. If Josephine increased the number of kilometers walked per week by 2% every week, how many kilometers did she walk in the first week? Okay, first week, T1. Now, if she is increasing by 2%, that, my friends, is 2 out of 100. So if you took T1 and multiplied by 2 out of 100, that would be 2% of T1. She increased by that amount. Okay? Now, if you're increasing by a certain percent to get the new percent, for example, let's say you're buying something and tax is 10%. Do you know what you have to multiply by the price by to get the total including tax? Right, on the side here, so you multiply by 1.1, that's right. That is 100% plus 10%, that's all in one. So if we take T1 and multiply this by 1.02, we will get the second term. So we have T1, the next term is T1 times 1.02. Does that make sense? It's 2% more each week. And the next one would be T1 times 1.02 to the power of 2, right? This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. Notice that this is n minus 1 always. So this should be, hopefully this should be making a lot of sense so far. So this is a sum, right? So the total number of kilometers, how many total number of kilometers? So we are talking about adding these terms, so it's a geometric sequence, isn't it? All right, so what do we know? Well, we don't know T1 because that's what the question asks, so that's what we're trying to find. But we do have some indication of what's going on. Now, if we noticed in 6 years, in 6 years she walked this much, oh my. So we're talking about weeks. These are weeks. That's week 1, week 2, week 3. So what week is 17,000? Can we figure that one out? What is n then? Sorry? Okay, there's 52 weeks in a year times 6 years. Yeah, 52 times 6. So what's 52 times 6? Well, 6 times 50 is 300. What's 6 times 2? 12. So 6 times 52 is 312. Does that make sense? Double check that. Good. Okay, so T of 312.
What?
The 312th term. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. So in 6 years she walked this much. Now, I'm just looking at what I got here. Kilometers, 2% every week. Okay, what's the ratio? The ratio is 1.02. That's what we multiply by each time. Okay. So n is 312, T of 312 is 17,000, R is 1.02. Is this enough to find the sum? Okay, it looks like it very well could be. Let me erase a bunch of this. Okay, what's our sum formulas again? Let me see. Ooh, review, formula. Okay, so which formula would we think we want to use here? Is it an infinite sum formula right here? No. It's just adding 312 things, right? So is it, let's see, is this a geometric sum formula? Nope, that's not geometric. Is this one geometric? It's got an R, so ratio, common ratio. That looks like geometric, doesn't it? So these are arithmetic. These are geometric. Okay. So which one should we use if we know the last term? This one, yeah, T of n. So I know T of n, I know R. I don't know T of 1, but I do know what the sum is. So I know everything except for T of 1. This is the equation you want to use. All right. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So the sum of the first 312 terms, well, actually, let's just write it up here. Sum of n, was it R Tn minus T1 over R minus 1?
Yeah.
Right? So the sum of, am I going too fast? Is this okay?
Yep.
I've got all the info down here, so I just substitute everything in. So R is 1.02, T of n is 17,000, minus T1, okay, and R is 1.02 minus 1. This sum of 312 actually should be substituted at this point, and it is the actual number of 17,000. That make sense?
Yeah.
So I've got everything except for this one. So let's do some simplification. I can multiply these two together to get one number. I can subtract these two to get one number. So 17,000 equals, okay, what's 1.02 times 17,000? 240? 17240, is it? Someone check? 340, right. Okay, minus T1, and this is 0.02. Okay, so 17,000 times 0.02 is going to be 340. Is that correct? Yeah? You guys on your calculators there? Okay. Equals, so that we've multiplied both sides by 0.002.
3,400.
I don't think so. I think it's 340.
I got 867,000.
You got 867,000?
Oh, I divided it. 0.0.
Okay, whoa. All right, my mental math is way off.
3,000.
Can we confirm this right here?
Yeah, it's
Is
correct. Well, it's 340.
okay, good. Okay.
340.8. It's not 3046.8. Wait, what?
No, this is 0.02, not 0.2.
Oh, it's
0.02. Just 0.02. Yeah. Okay.
my bad.
No problem at all. All right, so let's subtract 17,340 then from both sides. I'm going to get negative 17,000. Wait, what? Negative.
Negative T1 and then just make a little. What in
Don't we have to do?
No, we have to do
Don't we have to
17,000.
What in the world of warfare? What's going on?
340 minus 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it not negative 17,000?
Yeah, and then just divided by -1. No, that
How-
doesn't make
how is
sense.
the first-
That is not right.
That is not right.
Time out! Time out! Let's fix this.
Oh.
Okay, we got it straightened out. This is good. This happens. Ready? Watch. We made a mistake. Mostly you. No, I'll take much responsibility. So listen, I went back and filled this 17,000 afterwards. It is the sum, but it is not the final term. That was a mistake. See, the final term, we don't know what the final term is. We only know what the sum is. So if we go back to the formulas, and maybe some of you watching this wonderfully horrific video, maybe you noticed that we actually don't have the last term, we just have the sum. So we have to use this one, because in this one we do have n, which is 312. And we do not have the value of the last term, we just have the sum of all the terms. So we now have to use this one. We picked the wrong one. Does that make sense? Okay? We fooled ourselves. Okay. So let's just save a little time here. I'm going to copy and paste. Yes, we do not have T of n, we just have the S of n.
Ah, see now.
Si, senor. All right. Wait, what? Tarnation? Oh, here we go. All right, so this compadre is gone. You're evil. Let's get out of here. See, now look at, this is good though, because when you come up with, okay, 17,000 is the first term, and it's the sum, and if we look back, we also named it the last term. So, that means that the math is telling you you're an idiot, okay? That's what the math is telling you. So we have to listen to it. Okay, here we go. And enter the new formula. Yes, this is the one we want. Okay, so the sum, 17,000. T1, unknown. R, 1.02. N, 312. Minus. Whoops. This is a great video so far. Yeah, I am. See the red dot down there? 1. Yeah.
Can you hear us?
No, can't hear you.
Oh.
It just hears me. Actually, I might hear you a little bit, but
So it didn't even.
I'll edit you all out. No, I won't. Okay, over 1 minus 2 minus 1. All right, now. Oh, look at, see, look at. This was wrong too. That's what messed us up. This is not T of 312, this is sum of 312. That's where it started, I think. I think I mistakenly wrote down the wrong letter there. That's where it started. Okay, so we got the sum. Everything's good? So let's evaluate this. What is 1.02 to the power of 312? The power of 312. Oh boy. 17,000 equals T1 times. This is 482.229. 482.22929 minus 1 all over 0.02. Okay? So we're going to multiply both sides by 0.02. That's still going to be, oh my goodness. Okay, you spilled your pop. Get your books off the desk there. Get that. Don't let your books get all wet. All right. This is quite the class. Okay, clean it up. And don't empty my Kleenex box either. You can have a couple, not too many. Oh, they're gonna go empty the office Kleenex box. Okay, fine. Yeah, guys, he's gonna start banning drinks from this class. Be more responsible. You're gonna die of dehydration. Yeah, exactly. If I ban drinks in the class, you're all gonna die.
Okay, can we just get through question 9 already?
Can we get through? Thank you. Yeah, can we just keep going?
Leave Madeline behind, that's not very nice. And can watch the video.
That's okay. They can watch the video. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so this is 340, right? 340, this one. We pinned through that, and I think we did that right. Equals, this is T1 times 481.22929. 2292929. That like should be in some kind of like song or something. Whoa, what the what?
It's 481. Not 481.
No, it's 481. Do you know why? Do you know why? Because I subtracted 1.
Oh yeah.
Come on, get down. What is going on? Okay, there we go. Back. Okay. All right, you guys ready? What is your problem? Are you being pinched? What is going on? Okay. This is also instruction on how to take, a 4-minute question and make it into a 44-minute question. All right, can we continue? Yes, this is 481. This is 481 because it's 482 minus 1. Okay? Capiche? Finally, what we do is we divide both sides by this 481 number. Divide both sides. And then you get T1. So what is this T1 value? Let's do it on the calculator here. Hello? Hello, calculator. All right, my calculator is finally coming up. Okay, here we go. Settle yourselves. 340 divided by 481. We're supposed to be actually doing a whole other lesson today, you guys. 929. 481, 22929. Okay, what do we got? 0.7065. 0.7065. So that is roughly 0.7 kilometers. So roughly about 0.7 kilometers is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Is that the answer in the back of the booth? Did we get the right answer? That was not easy. I don't think I should hit the that is easy button.
How did you get R? I still don't understand why the 1 was always there in R 1.02.
Okay, because if you are increasing by 2% each time, then you multiply it by 1, like by itself, and then plus 0.02. So that's 1.02.
That is the correct answer.
That is the correct answer? 0.7 kilometers. All right, congratulations, Josephine. All right, let me talk a little bit more about the 1.02. Okay, so remember this, the sales tax example? Okay, so let's say you are buying a very furry, like in the wintertime, this is a very furry shirt. Because it's really cold and you want a furry shirt. The shirt costs $39.99, $39.99, okay? And if you are going to pay for the full amount with taxes, let's say taxes are 10%. So if you want to pay the price plus 10%, what you do is you take $39.99 and you multiply it by 1, that's 100% of this number, plus 0.1%, so that's 1.10%. So that's what you do. And when you multiply it, that's your total including taxes. You guys ever done that before? Times 1.1. So $43.99. So you end up paying $43.99. Okay? And of course, this is, whose is this? Let's say this is Lyric's shirt. This is Lyric's shirt right here. Look how happy Lyric is. He's got a really long neck and really long arms.
Oh, wow. You're such a wonderful.
Aren't I a wonderful artist?
You are.
That shirt's a bit big for you, Lyric. Look at how skinny Lyric's legs are. Okay.
Why is there no, like, why?
That's too big for you,
No,
Lyric.
wait, can you make my legs like one coming over here and then I can gap and then one coming over there? That's the wrong answer.
Okay, so we've concluded I am a mathematician, not an artist. Actually, I can do way better than that, but I'm not going to. So that's why it's 1.02. Does that make sense? You get it? Okay. All right, that's it. We're done.
Bye. Bye, friend. Wait.
Bye. Yeah, what? Okay, if you want, do you want to say goodbye on the video? Say goodbye.
Bye. Love you. Bye. Hope you enjoyed our math class. See you later. I will be watching. I love you.
Don't worry.
I need to love you. I'm gonna go on. No, really. We need to clean it out and all the conversations together. Get rid of the math and yeah.
Excuse me, get rid of the math?
Take all like the funny parts.
Can't just get rid of the math in this video? Oh, I am offended.